You are going to love the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, LED headlights, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.